Being successful isn't about being nice to everybody and saying yes to everything that comes your way. It's far more these days about saying no to anything that gets in the way of your priorities. My name is Zena Everett, I'm a leadership coach, and I realised that my clients wore overwork and crazy busyness like a badge of honour. They'd come in late for sessions and they'd say, "I'm sorry, I'm in back-to-back meetings, I'm crazy busy." And I kept hearing this term, crazy busy, crazy busy. And I thought, why are they so proud of being so busy? And the researchers say, and there's various different figures on this, but that we can spend less than 40% of our week on tasks that move the needle, real work that makes a difference. At the moment, people tell me that they are trying to think in small slices of time in between meetings. That is putting the crazy into crazy busy. So what I want you to do is to spend more time in deep work, what we call flow. Our brain can only focus on one deep task at once. And the research says that we can actually take up to 25 minutes to recover from a distraction. It's really difficult to do intense work unless you schedule it and you block out time to work in flow. People that work in flow are 5 times more productive than their switch tasking colleagues. They are happier, they enjoy their work more, they earn more money, and they work fewer hours. We have to put big boundaries around our time and learn to do one thing at once. And you'll find if you do that, then actually tasks get completed much quicker. When I'm coaching people, one of my first questions is, what are you measured on? Now, you would be surprised how many people aren't crystal clear on what a good job looks like. But hybrid working and remote working has made it harder for teams to communicate with each other. And a manager's job is to get on top of this, smooth out that workflow. Just because the technology is available to us, all those messaging systems, all those project management systems, we don't have to use them. We need to push back and say, why are we doing this? Does it make us quicker? Does it make us more efficient? If there isn't a good reason, then let's not do it. So a simple thing for you to start doing is every time you complete a piece of work, and you're having a reflexive session on it, what did we do well, what are the lessons learned? We need to talk about time. We need to say next time, how can we make that easier? How can we do it quicker and more efficiently? Are you a blocker of productivity, or do you make it easier the way that you work to get things done? And I do sometimes find that managers slow things down. They're what I call mama bear managers. They want to keep people safe. They double check everything. Sometimes they want to protect their teams, but all they're doing is making work harder. Being more successful doesn't mean doing more work. It means having a laser focus on the task that matters and executing them without distraction. You have to learn to push back and say no and put some boundaries around your precious time. Thank you very much.